I am the Windrunner, the spirit guide. This land I call my own. Listen for me in the rustling leaves. Hear me in the ocean breeze.
What does this mean, Hermes? What's happening to her?
As a lost spirit, she will wander for eternity, slowly losing all memory of who she was in this world.
I'm sorry for the loss of Alcime.
Don't you say her name!
You may have given up on your daughter, but I haven't. And I never will. But know that I aim to undo what has been done. I seek the Golden Fleece.
Out of my way.
What?
What? No one wants to fight?
What should I expect from this trial of combat?
Citizens of my city, our next match is about to begin.
You'll likely be outnumbered. Crowd against you. And you could bet Patroclus will have a surprise or two.